You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Looks like there's nothing left to do. In the end, I'm always back to you. Running demons in my head. I won't stop till they're all dead. You said I could do the same for you. So put the keys right back in your pocket. Got a car so fast.